Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, let's talk about a travel essential that combines convenience with performance, the Conair Travel Hair Dryer. Whether you're globetrotting or just looking for a compact blow dryer for everyday use, this one packs a punch. With a foldable design and dual voltage feature, it's built for travel. But does it deliver on its promise of sleek, frizz-free hair? Let's find out. This 1600-watt Conair Travel Hair Dryer is designed to handle the fast-paced lifestyle of frequent travelers. The foldable handle is a game changer, making it easy to pack without taking up too much space in your luggage. Plus, the dual voltage capability means you can take it anywhere in the world and still get the same great performance. It's all about practicality, but does it also deliver the kind of results you'd expect from a good quality dryer? The dryer comes with 2 heat and 2 speed settings, giving you some control over how you style your hair. If you're in a rush, the higher heat and speed settings give you quick, powerful airflow. And if you're looking for a more controlled, gentle dry, the lower setting works perfectly. Plus, it has a cool shot button to lock in your style, which is essential for keeping your hair sleek and frizz-free. This feature definitely comes in handy if you're aiming for that perfectly smooth finish. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. I took this dryer with me on a recent trip, and I was pleasantly surprised. It's lightweight but feels solid in the hand. The foldable handle really does save space, which I love. On my medium-length hair, the 1600 watts of power gave me a quick dry with impressive results. I didn't experience the level of frizz I sometimes get with other dryers. This one really tames flyaways and leaves my hair looking smooth. The settings are easy to adjust, and I was able to style my hair exactly how I wanted with minimal effort. Of course, it's not without its drawbacks. The dryer is a bit on the louder side, especially on the higher speed setting. If you're used to quieter, more advanced dryers, this may take some getting used to. And while the foldable handle is a great feature for travel, it's not as sturdy as a non-folding dryer. That's something to consider if you're looking for a dryer to use every day at home, rather than just for trips. In terms of value for money, the Conair Travel Hair Dryer is definitely a solid buy. It's priced reasonably, especially considering its travel-friendly features like dual voltage and the compact design. The 1600-watt motor is powerful enough for quick drying, and the 2 speed and heat settings give you enough flexibility to handle different hair types and styling needs. While it may not have the same advanced features as higher-end models, for a travel dryer, it holds its own. Compared to other travel hair dryers on the market, Conair's model stands out for its combination of power and portability. While other dryers may be more compact or quieter, they often lack the power or frizz-taming benefits this one offers. For the price, it offers great value, especially if you're someone who frequently travels and wants a reliable, efficient blow dryer. In terms of build quality, the Conair Travel Hair Dryer feels durable, though it's not as premium feeling as other higher-end blow dryers. The plastic body is lightweight, but still solid enough for frequent travel. As for longevity, I'd expect it to hold up well over time, given the simple design and solid performance on my trip. If you've ever had to contact Conair's customer service, you know that they're generally responsive and helpful. While I haven't needed to use their support for this particular product, they have a solid reputation for taking care of their customers, which is always reassuring when you're investing in any product. If you're looking for something more premium or quieter, there are other options available at a higher price point. However, if you're after an affordable, functional, and portable travel dryer, this one is hard to beat. If you're on a tighter budget, but still want something that gets the job done without compromise, you might want to check out other compact dryers in this price range. In summary, the Conair Travel Hair Dryer offers excellent performance for its price. It's powerful, efficient, and perfectly designed for travel. If you need a compact and reliable hair dryer that delivers smooth, frizz-free results without the premium price tag, this is a solid option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.